Alright, got another mystery box in today. This was a single shot from the Mighty Hobby Shop. I think it was like $12.95 for this one. They had some pretty cool top prizes. Michelle doesn't want to know what they were, just in case, you know, this ends up being another Chubbs. Anyway, here we go. The Mighty Hobby Shop mystery box. See what we got. All right. What's in there? What's in there? Can you see it? Can't see it yet. Is it facing me? I think it's upside down. I don't know what it is still. Boom! It's an Avengers. I know that. I can see Avengers. Black.
It's a good one.
Black Widow. Ooh, it's the Chase. All right. What is it? Mighty Hobby Shop. That's pretty good. Came in a soft protector and everything. We're happy. Put your boom.